DZW series multi-ton electric actuators DZW120. They use precise warm gear device and high performance low internal motors, providing high torque, high efficiency, and stable process operation. Dual ceiling design with standard IP6G protection, complete with ISO 510-5211 mounting standards for harsh environments. Built-in protections include overheat, overload, torque, mechanical, electronic, phase loss protection, ultra reliable long-term operation, intelligent worksense, ultra LCD display, fit self-diagnosis, local control, and industrial communication, Modbus RTU, Profibus DP, HART, and Fuel bus, widely used for multi-ton valves such as gate valves and global valves.